All right, this is second grade math lesson 6-7. We are going to be practicing subtracting. This is what we've been doing the whole unit. We've learned a bunch of different strategies, and now we're going to pick how we want to do it. So find 82 minus 56. Use any strategy you have learned or your own strategy. Show your work, explain why your strategy works. So I'm going to do 82 minus 56. I'm going to stack them and subtract. 2 minus 6 will not work. I have 2. I can't subtract 6 from only 2. So I'm going to regroup these. I have 8 groups of 10. I'm going to take away one of those groups of 10 to make it 7 and add it over here. 10 plus 2 is 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. And 7 minus 5 is 2. So we get a difference of 26. All right, let's go and go on to our back page and look at our comic. Okay? Find 72 minus 24. One way is to break apart numbers. 72 minus 24. 24 we can break apart into 20 plus 4. And then the 4 we can break apart into 2 plus 2. We're going to take a look at the number that's here in the ones place and try and get that one the same if it works. Okay? Another way is to line up by place value, and you can check using addition. So do you understand? Show me. Could you solve 72 minus 24 another way? Well, yeah, we did it this way. Another way is to stack it. Another way is to add. Another way could be to draw a picture. I could say, yes, I could draw a picture. Okay, that's another way we could do it. All right, so we're going to use any strategy to subtract. We're going to show our work, and then we also need to check all of our work using addition. Okay? All right, so 67 minus 39. So let's take a look at this strategy here. This is showing a compensation strategy that we might use. So 67 minus 40. 67 minus 40, we can do mental math, is 27. Now, our real problem was 39, and we added 1 here. So we're going to take our answer here, and we're going to add 1 to that. 27 plus 1 equals 28. And then we can check it using our addition. 28 plus 39, because our answer here is going to be 28, equals 67. Okay? So let's take a look at this one here. 78 minus 42. 8 minus 2, ooh, look, that works, 6, and 7 minus 4 is 3. So we know our difference is 36. We're going to add these two together and see if we get 78, just to check it. 36 plus 42. 6 plus 2 is 8. 3 plus 4 is 7. It works. All right, let's go ahead and take a look here at our independent practice page. It's a pretty full page. It's going to give us lots and lots of practice on our subtraction as well as our addition. All right, okay, let's go ahead and take a look at our different strategies, and we're going to use our addition to check our answers. So 73 minus 34. 3 minus 4 isn't going to work, so we're going to regroup that. And 13, okay. So we're going to regroup this. The 7 groups of 10 will become 6, and the 3 becomes a 13. 13 minus 4 is 9, and 6 minus 3 is 3. So we get a sum of 39, and we're going to add these two together. So 34 plus 39. 4 plus 9 is 13. 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 1 more is 7. 73. It checks out. All right, 78 minus 25. Oops, 25. So 8 minus 5 is 3. We didn't need to regroup. 7 minus 2 is 5, so we get 53. We're going to add these two together and see if we get 78. 25 plus 53. 5 plus 3 is 8. 2 plus 5 is 7. That checks out. All right, 83 minus 46. 3 minus 6, that's not going to work. We're going to regroup. That becomes 13. That becomes 7. 13 minus 6 is 7. 7 minus 4 is 3. So we get a difference of 37. We're going to add these two together and see if we get 83 to check our work. 46 plus 37. 6 plus 7 is 13. 4 plus 3 is 7, plus 1 more is 8. It checks out, so we know that we have the correct difference there. Okay, number 6, 36 minus 27. 6 minus 7 isn't going to work. That becomes 16. That becomes 2. 16 minus 7 is 9. 2 minus 2 is 0, so that is going to be 9 is our difference. Let's check it. 27 plus 9. 9 plus 8 is 16. 1 plus 2 is 3. We get a difference of 36, or a sum of 36. So we know that that all checks out. All right, 98 minus 51. 8 minus 1 is 7. Do we have to regroup? Nope. And 9 minus 5 is 4. So we get a sum of 47. We're going to add these together and check to see if we get up to 98. 1 plus 7 is 8. 5 plus 4 is 9. Yep, that is correct. We checked it. All right, let's go to number 8. 45 minus 34. 5 minus 4 is 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. We didn't have to regroup at all, and that's 11. So let's check it here. 34 plus 11. 4 plus 1 is 5. 3 plus 1 is 4. 45, yep. So we know that that is correct. Whew, we are cranking through this. This is a lot of math. And again, in class, we won't do every single one of these, but this is just a reference. So 86 minus 29. 6 minus 9 won't work. That becomes 16. That becomes 7. 16 minus 9 is 7. 7 minus 2 is 5. We're going to add these two together and see if it adds up. 29 plus 57. 9 plus 7 is 16. And 1 plus, let's see, this is 7 plus 1 more is 8, gets us to 86. So 57 is correct there. All right, 71 minus 38, lots of regrouping. 1 minus 8 won't work. That becomes 11. That becomes a 6. 11 minus 8 is 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. So we get a difference of 33. We're going to check it to make sure we got it right. 38 plus 33. 8 plus 3 is 11. Regroup. 6 plus 1 more is 7. 71. We got it. All right, here's our last one. 85 minus 23. 5 minus 3 is 2. 8 minus 2 is 6. So we're going to add these two together and see if it works. 23 plus 62, 5, 85. Yep, we got it. 62 is our difference. Okay, with algebra, we need to find the missing number. Remember, equal sign means the same as. So we have to solve this one first, and then it will help us on the other side. So 34 minus 8. 4 minus 8 doesn't work, so that's going to become 14 and 2. 14 minus 8 is 6, so 26. So this equals 26. So over here, this also needs to equal 26. So 35 minus something equals 26. So let's just go ahead and do that. 35 minus 26. 5 minus 6 won't work. 15 and 2. 15 minus 6 is 9. And so we have a difference of 9. So our missing number is 9 because this equals 26 and this also equals 26. All right, we're going to do the same thing here. Equal sign means the same as. So 27 minus 9. So let's see, 7 minus 9 won't work, so that becomes 17. That becomes 1. 17 minus 9 is 8. 1 minus nothing is 8. There, let's make sure 27 minus 9, 17 minus 9 is 8, 1 minus, 1 minus nothing is 1. All right. So that is 18, which means this also needs to equal 18. 28 minus something equals 18. I can do that in my head. That's mental math. 28 minus 10 equals 18. Holy cow, look at that page. Hoy, that is a lot of work. All right, let's go ahead and head it over to our back page here. And we'll get that going. All right. So make a plan, solve each problem, show your work, then check your work. So we're going to be using addition again. The hardware store has 32 hammers in stock. The store sells 16 hammers on Saturday. How many hammers are left? So 32 minus 16. So 2 minus 6 won't work. That's going to become 12. That's going to become 2. We're regrouping. 12 minus 6 is 6, and 2 minus 1 is 1. So we know we have a difference of 16 hammers. But we're going to check it. We're going to add 16 plus 16 to see if we get 32, our original total number. 6 plus 6 is 12. We'll regroup 1, 2, 3 is 32. So, yep, it checks out. Okay, number 15. A barber does 15 haircuts on Monday. He does 28 haircuts on Friday. How many more haircuts does he do on Monday than Friday? So we're going to do 28 minus 15. So 8 minus 5 is 3. 2 minus 1 is 1. So we know it's 13 more. We're going to add these two together and check it. And guess what I'm going to do? I'm just going to do it from here. 3 plus 5 is 8. 1 plus 1 is 2. I can check it. It works. All right, let's do our vocabulary review. All right, we've got some words here. Addend, equation, difference, and sum. Okay, 93 minus 53 equals 40 is an equation. Remember, an equation is a math sentence. 40 is called the blank of 90 and 53. So if we have 93 minus 53 equals 40, the answer is going to be called a difference. Remember, it's a difference when we add, and a difference when we subtract, and a sum when we add. Sorry about that. Okay, number 17, we're going to be finding the missing digits. Something minus 3 equals 9. Well, I know that's, remember how if we add, we can check our answers. So we're basically going to do that now. So I'm going to do that 9 plus 3. I can't make that work. So I'm going to have to regroup from over here. That's going to become 13. And normally, 4 plus 4 would, or 2 plus 2 would equal 4. But in this case, we have to regroup. And that is going to become 5. So we had to regroup. This originally was a 4, and we had to regroup it that way. So it's going to be 5, and then this is going to be a 2. 5 and 2. Because originally this would have been a 6, and we regrouped it to a 5. All right. Our assessment. Circle the problem that you will use regrouping to solve, then find both differences and show your work. All right. So if we need to do regrouping, we have to look at the numbers in the ones place to see which one we have to regroup. We need to use regrouping. 6 minus 8, yep, it's going to have to be that one, because 4 minus 2 we can do. So we're going to go ahead and do this. 6 minus 8 won't work. That becomes 16. That becomes 4. 16 minus 8 is 8. 4 minus 3 is 1. And we have a difference of 18. Now it says then find both differences and show your work. So let's go ahead and do this one. 4 minus 2 is 2, and 7 minus 5 is 3 for a difference of 32. Okay, great job, everybody.